Unveiling the kitchen's secret, the oven tray. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common but often overlooked kitchen item, the oven tray. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just curious about English vocabulary, understanding what an oven tray is and how it's used can be both fun and educational. Let's dive in. An oven tray is a flat, typically rectangular piece of cookware used in ovens. It's designed for baking, roasting, or grilling various types of food. Oven trays are usually made of metal, like aluminum or stainless steel, and sometimes they have a non-stick coating to prevent food from sticking. It's a versatile kitchen tool, essential for baking cookies, roasting vegetables, or preparing a variety of oven-cooked meals. Depending on where you are in the English-speaking world, an oven tray might have different names. In some places, it's called a baking sheet, baking tray, or a cookie sheet. Despite these different names, the basic function remains the same, a flat surface used for cooking food in the oven. This highlights an interesting aspect of the English language: regional variations in vocabulary. Using an oven tray is quite straightforward. Before placing your food on it, you might need to grease it or line it with baking paper, especially if it doesn't have a non-stick surface. This prevents food from sticking. When using an oven tray, it's important to consider the oven temperature and cooking time, as these factors vary depending on the type of food you are preparing. Taking care of an oven tray is important for its longevity. It should be cleaned after each use. If it's not dishwasher safe, washing it with warm, soapy water and a soft sponge is the best approach. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or pads, as they can damage the surface. Proper storage is also essential. Keep it in a dry place to prevent rusting or warping. And there you have it, a simple guide to understanding and using an oven tray. This kitchen essential, while seemingly mundane, is a great example of everyday vocabulary in the English language. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your English language learning journey. Happy cooking and learning!